Meaning of diplomat.
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 Diplomat. A diplomat is typically defined as a person who is appointed by their government to represent it in negotiations and other official business with foreign governments or international organizations. The diplomat's primary role is to promote and protect their country's interests, maintain peaceful relations, and negotiate treaties and agreements. They are often skilled negotiators and are trained in diplomatic protocol and etiquette. Diplomats can work in various fields, including politics, economics, trade, culture, and security. Overall, diplomacy plays a crucial role in international relations, helping to resolve conflicts and build partnerships between nations.